Hi, families. I wanted to walk you through where your child will need to go in the morning to join our morning meeting. So, when they log into CTLS, they're going to click on Marsh Homeroom. There's a few things there that you might want to take a peek at. There's the weekly agenda that I'm also attaching in this email. There's information on how they can access Clever, which is basically a landing page for different tools that we use. There's also a link for the Mount Bethel Morning News. We will be watching this together as a class tomorrow. And then a little announcement from me. So in the morning, at about 7:55, they'll click on Digital Sessions and click Morning Meeting. Once this is open into a live session, this button will be green, not kind of blanked out, and they'll be able to click Join Live Session, and that will pull them into the Zoom meeting. I am looking forward to an excellent first day of school tomorrow. Please email me or let me know if you have any questions and I can help you in any way. Thank you.